Prepositions: in, on, at. Friends, let's get started. In the morning, in the afternoon, in February, in the spring, in the summer, in the winter, in the fall, in the autumn, in 2002, in the 1990s, on Monday morning, on Sunday, on Tuesday afternoon, on Wednesday evening, on my birthday, on a holiday, on May 5th, on weekday, on the weekends, at night, at noon, at midday, at midnight, at bedtime, at sunrise, at sunset, at 10:30, at weekday, at the weekend. Respected friends, love this post. Save this post. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share with as many people as possible. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL English Teacher. May God bless all of you. Amen. Take care.